Now here the question is, if the tangent at a point a cos theta and b sin theta on this ellipse meets the auxiliary circle in 2 points, then the chord joining them subtends a right angle at the center. We need to find eccentricity of this ellipse. So we have this ellipse. Its equation is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Now we have drawn a tangent at any point P. This tangent, it intersects auxiliary circle at 2 points, say A and B, and this chord AB, it subtends a right angle at the center. We need to find eccentricity for this ellipse. Now it is given that eccentric angle for this point P is theta. So we can write equation of tangent. So equation of tangent is given by x cos theta upon A plus y sin theta upon B, and it is equal to 1. So equation of this line AB is x cos theta upon A plus y sin theta upon B, and it is equal to 1. Now we'll find equation of pair of lines passing through origin and joining point of intersection of this line and this given curve. So you must have studied it in pair of straight lines, that if we need to find equation of pair of lines joining point of intersection of a line and a curve passing through origin, then we'll need to make the curve homogeneous. So we'll need to find intersection of this line and this circle, which is auxiliary circle. So equation of auxiliary circle is x square plus y square equals to a square. So in order to find equation of this pair of lines, we need to make this equation homogeneous, and we do it using equation of this line. So we'll write this equation as x square plus y square, and it will be equal to a square, and it is x cos theta upon A plus y sin theta upon B whole square. Now we'll simplify it. We'll write x square plus y square, and it will be a square x square cos square theta upon A square plus y square sin square theta upon B square plus 2xy cos theta sin theta upon AB. So if we simplify, we can write this equation as x square and then x square 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. So it will be x square sin square theta plus y square, and here it will be 1 minus a square upon b square sin square theta minus 2xy a upon b sin theta into cos theta, and it is equal to 0. Now in the question it is given that angle between these pair of straight lines is a right angle. So we know that in pair of straight lines, angle between the lines is 90 degrees when a plus b is 0. That is, sum of the coefficients of x square plus y square, it must be 0. Now what is the coefficient of x square here? It is sin square theta. So we'll get sin square theta plus, and here it is 1 minus a square upon b square sin square theta, and this value, it must be equal to 0. So we can write this as a square sin square theta, and it will be equal to b square 1 plus sin square theta. Now we need to find eccentricity. We know that b square is a square into 1 minus e square. So we'll write a square sin square theta, and it will be a square 1 minus e square 1 plus sin square theta. Now a square will cancel. So we can write 1 minus e square, and it will be equal to sin square theta upon 1 plus sin square theta, and e square will then be 1 upon 1 plus sin square theta. So value of e is simply 1 upon under root 1 plus sin square theta, and that's your option number C.